Cultivate inner beauty, the gentle, gracious kind that God delights in. 1 Peter 3, verse 4. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Princess Ujori and I am back with another makeup video. Guys, I have been away for like the longest time and I really want to apologize for being away for that long. Like immediately after my birthday, I went on birthday vacation or vacation. So yeah guys, please guys, just ignore my nails. Jeez, ignore it, please. With wasting no time, I'm just gonna go ahead with my Glam Girl Gold Leaf Concentrate to just prime my face. As you can see, my brows are already done, so we're just doing like skin work. Okay, pressing down that primer into my face, guys. All these plenty pimples, I don't know, but just pressing the primer into my skin. For foundation, we're going to be using my usual, my Ezekiel and my Maybelline mixture. I'm going to be mixing both foundation on my face. Guys, like I always say, you want to mix your foundation before application. You don't want to like put both shade on your face, especially when one is matte and one is all the way illuminative. So I'm just going to be pressing that foundation into my skin, pressing and sort of moving because I want to apply like cream. I want to apply like a really slim layer, so I'm going to be applying that. Basically this is like 12 a.m. or thereabout, so I'm literally not going anywhere, but I'm still going to be showing you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, for my highlight concealer, I'm going to be going with my Ferrari concealer and I'm taking that shade to just highlight underneath my eyes, literally everywhere I want the light to hit. Underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cubic bowl, my chin and my forehead, guys. Going ahead to just blend that concealer, like blend. You want to take your time to blend it at the area you put the concealer. You don't want to go overboard. I don't know why I'm doing all these plenty faces, but I think it's just for my Instagram video. Yes, blend. Why blending? You want to dab. The method you want to use in blending is dabbing instead of rubbing off your concealer. Okay, I was actually talking to my sister, so at this point I was in the mood. Reverse contouring, and now I'm going in with my setting powder, my Fire Gold setting powder in the shade Buttercup. I'm just going to use this to just highlight, set my eyes, guys. I think I baked today. Yeah, I baked today in this video, so yeah. And I'm putting that precise line, I'm putting that line in my nose to just make it more precise. Okay, reverse contouring with the setting powder as well. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going with my Avon eyeshadow primer to just prime my lid. Mind you, I already primed my lid with my concealer, but we like it extra. Okay, going ahead with the eyeshadow primer and just blend it in my eyelid. So guys, for my first palette for my eyes, I'm going to be taking my Ezekiel powder and blush palette. Guys, in makeup you want to improvise because I'm using my blush. Actually, I couldn't find this shade, or I couldn't find this particular pigment of this shade in any of my palettes, so I'm using that for my eyes, and I'm going to be applying this at my tear duct area, moving it into my eyelid. After that, I'm going to be taking the next pink shade. After this one, I'm just applying it at the center of my eyelid. And guys, I'm pressing it down and as well blending it to the first shade I applied before this. So for the end, I'm going in with the deepest pink shade in the palette and just blend it at the outer part of my lid. And blending it at the outer part of my lid, I am using it basically as a transition shade. I'm bringing it upward to blend it with the other two shades. guys. I love this pattern of applying my eyeshadow because it's just so simple. I went ahead with a bright pink shade to sort of brighten that outer, to sort of brighten my tear dot area. I'm going in with my Blossom ice cream eyeshadow palette. I'm taking that purple shade, sort of deepening the eyes more, and I'm going in with the on the outer part of my eyes. Guys, I tried in this explanation, nobody can tell me anything. Okay, so stay blending that, making sure to have a good blend to sort of give my eyes a really nice transitioning with my eyeshadows. And yes guys, we're good. I'm going to be taking my eyeliner, my ADSI gel liner in black, and just give me some really nice wing. Okay, going ahead to just dust off all the excess powder since I am almost done with my eyes. So let's face the face for a while. Okay, going ahead to just contour my nose after dusting all those patty in my face. Okay, contouring my nose with nothing serious. I'm using my darkest shades from my Ezekiel powder and blush palette, contouring my face as well. I'm going to be using my mascara to just, you know, put some drama on my underlashes because they are looking like they disappeared already. Guys, I know my voice is sounding summer. I'm actually having a cold, so please ignore my voice. Okay, so far you get with your talk. Kidding guys, it took me a while to bring up the drama I was bringing. Okay, my Any Lady 3D highlight, I'm going to be using that to just highlight the high points of my face. I'm going to be highlighting the high point on my face. Why are you repeating what you're saying? Guys, my cupid bow, my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. Okay, next thing, I'm gonna be taking this brand pencil. It's like a regular eyebrow pencil, but I needed something for my lips, so I'm gonna be using that to just line my lip. Like I told you, in makeup you have to improvise. Okay, using this to just give my lip an overlining. Yeah, so guys, what I'm actually doing here, I'm going ahead with my gel liner. I actually mixed that clip, going ahead with my gel liner and just overlining my lip. Why I did this was to give my lip that intensity and that preciseness. Okay, you see what I'm talking about very soon. Like, can you see that? Can you see that? Did you just make your lip look so beautiful? Guys, that was basically all I did for my lip. I just went ahead to just blend that into the lip finish. I didn't put any lipstick up my center lip or like making an ombre thing down. That is my natural lip, so that's my natural lip color. I went ahead to set my face, remove my bonnet, and we are already vibing this look, guys. Like, I love all the pictures I took from this look. I'm wearing my earrings, like, so yes guys, this is it for this makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a two thing from this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on my social media platform. It's gonna be down in the description bar. And guys, don't forget, this Princess Ujiri love you guys more, but God loves you most. Have a blessed day, guys.